Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to send files from your phone to this laptop. First, you have to check if you have an internet connection on your laptop, then go to the web browser and search for the website that is called PairDrop.net. Find this website, then open it. Now, to link your phone and your laptop on this web page, you have to click this link icon, and then you can either open the same web page on your phone, then click the link icon on your phone and paste this code into this field on your phone, or you can simply scan the QR code using your phone's camera, and you'll get transferred to the same session on this web page immediately and will be automatically linked to your laptop. Once your devices are paired, you have to click on the laptop's icon on your phone, then select the file that you want to send, then accept it on your laptop and wait until it's downloaded. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.